It's a 6'4" gang, baby. Y'all know what's going on, man. It's your boy back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. Before we even get into this joint, y'all know what y'all need to do, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's make this channel go up all 2021, man. I need y'all help. I need y'all support to keep it running, man. Keep producing this content for y'all, man. I need for y'all to drop them comments, drop them likes, share the videos, man. If y'all like it, I love it. You feel me?
Goddamn, Z, you cut up on it.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Nowadays you don't know who gonna who fade. It's time to be trusting, niggas be snakes. Today my birthday, I'm getting that cake. If it touch my hands, I'ma make it shake. Still busting down, selling apes and quakes. Jigging them things, watching out for the jakes. These wanna be.
Like y'all can tell by the thumbnail, bro, we got a new packaging, new mod for the car, man. It's about to go up. Let's get it, baby. Cleaner. Wipe it down real quick.
I got a confession to make. What? I sold my soul to the trap.
Yeah.
Sold my soul to the trap.
Alright, gang, go ahead and bust down this package for y'all, man. So y'all can see what's inside. See what's in store for the beast. 6'4". Y'all see what's going on, man. We about to install a WICKERBILL on this train. Yes, camera cutout going on. Bugs out here, man, they crazy. Anyway, man, let's go ahead and get this joint started. I got it prepped, got it clean. Go ahead and throw that tape on there and get ready with y'all, you feel me? Alright, gang, I got it, I would say about as flush and as centered as I can see, man, from my naked eye. It looks pretty centered, man. It looks pretty centered. I'm gonna go get me a marker and dot those circles just in case it moves a little bit when I start drilling. You feel me? Alright, gang, let's start with the middle. Alright, gang, I can't remember if they drilled it with the WICKERBILL on, taped on there, or they took it off and drilled it. So let me review the play. So he did drill it with the WICKERBILL on, taped on there. So that's what we're gonna do, man. Start with these pilot holes, 1/8 drill bit. Let's get it. Wish me luck. Gang, once again, we done drilled some holes into the car. But it's pretty legit though, man. Everything came out good. I would say it's pretty much centered, man. Look damn straight to me. Unfortunately, gang, we're gonna have to pause for a minute. Probably just gonna be a couple seconds for y'all because I gotta run to the store. Get a 25/64 bit. The biggest I got is 5/16, man. Yeah, anyway, gonna have to run to the store, man. Might even get some footage in there. But anyway, we'll be back. Yes, sir. At the Lowe's, man, we gotta get that part. Gotta get that drill bit. 25/64. Ain't that right, Dede?
Yeah, but
What?
that truck's right there.
You like the truck? Oh, the Tesla passing the truck. Must be going through some shit. Damn.
It's so
Must be in a
fast.
rush. I don't see not one 25/64. I see 5/64, 13/64. Where is the 25?
That's probably there.
Dang, so they ain't even had the right size, man. So we got a 3/8, which is right there close to 25/64, man. We're gonna see if we can make this work. Let's get to it, baby. The big one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we got them holes drilled. About to see if these rivets fit, man. Let's go. Alright, gang, we got the tape removed. Yeah, man, we got them holes in there. This shit looking wild. 4 on each side, 8 all together. Alright, we about to see if we can put these rib nuts in here, man. See if they fit with this 3/8. Hopefully it's not too much off, though. They just slide right in there. So it comes with this rib nut tool, and you're gonna need some vice grips. Also, 7/16 socket. Hey, come here. Hand me that tool on top of the trash can. Or can you reach it?
Can you read it?
Come right here. Can you reach it?
Got it.
Alright, thank you. Alright, gang. About to get started. Yeah, pop that in there.
What?
But don't tighten it too much. Alright, gang, we got it started. We're about to pull it out. See what happens.
Oh, enjoy.
Y'all check that out, man. Oh no. Sitting here messing around and dropped the 2 washers and the little star bit. Alright, gang, so we gotta put another rib nut on there and keep it pushing. Yes, sir. We in the game, baby. Let's just dump this out real quick.
That's a lot of them.
So let's go ahead and put the rest in, man. Yes, sir. Alright, gang. As y'all can see, they all inside. Knock that dust off real quick, like. Knock that dust off. Yes, sir. Alright, gang, we almost done. Y'all can see we got 4 of the screws in there. Over 8. Just hand tighten them right now. Tell me what y'all think, man. First time's a charm, baby. Tell me what y'all think, man. Drop that comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. Yee, that WICKERBILL is on there. What you think about it?
Good.
Good, that's it. What you think about it? Tell me what you think about it.
It looks awesome and cool.
It looks awesome and cool. I appreciate that, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see how we coming. Y'all see how we coming.
Daddy,
What's up, baby?
you still open it? It looks like heavy to open it with this.
Nah, it's light. It can still be open, yes, sir.
But if you put more stuff on top of that, then it would be so heavier.
Hey, gang. Y'all see how we coming, man. Y'all see what we did step by step. Showed y'all how to put that WICKERBILL on, man. And we did it. First time of the charm, man. We put it on there. We installed it. And I must say that thing came out great, man. Y'all drop that comment down below. Tell me what y'all think, huh? Tell me what y'all think. Ooh, she looking aggressive. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The pearlies on. She blacked out on the inside now, man. Y'all know how we coming, man. Took that silver up out of there. She looking good, player. Yeah, man. Ooh. But y'all saw how we came, man. We did what we supposed to do. Got the job done, man. Until next time, man. I'll holler at y'all. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Nowadays you don't know who real and who fake. It's tell them you trust and niggas be snakes.